A very warm welcome to the Gama Innovation Conference and Awards 2024. The Gama Innovation Awards celebrate outstanding innovations from across the world, identified by Gama from many thousands of new product launches over the past year. We are very, very grateful to our expert judges from some of the world's leading names in fast-moving consumer goods who have acted as our judging panel.
Here are the finalists in the Best Middle East category of Gama Innovation Award. 7 days bake rolls rucks with date and cinnamon from the UAE. Barada falafel spread from the UAE. Barakat gaff shot from the UAE. Earth Goods Organic Super Seed Muesli, Hayatuna Kulank drink with high biscuit pomegranate from the UAE, Luzine oat and honey bread from the UAE, Rio honey water with saffron from Saudi Arabia, and Goodness Company chocolate dates bite with pistachio from the UAE. I can now announce the winner of Gama Innovation Award Best of Middle East 2024, Rio honey water with saffron from Saudi Arabia.
Thank you and good afternoon everyone. With immense pride and honor, we are here to celebrate a new achievement for Rio Food Industries. This achievement is marked by our distinguished product, Rio Honey with Saffron, winning the Gama Innovation Award 2024 for the best food product in the Middle East. The award is not just a recognition of the product itself, but a testament of the quality of Saudi industry. This accomplishment is the result of years of hard work, continuous trials, and meticulous preparation in developing the idea of Rio natural products. This success would not have been possible without the tremendous support from the leadership of Saudi Arabia, of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, to the food industry sector. This reflects the profound care and facilitation the government offers to this field. We are also proud to be part of the Kingdom's ambitious Vision 2030, which aims to diversify the economy and improve the quality of local products, thereby enhancing the global standing of Saudi industry. We would like to extend our special thanks to Ms. Sylvia, Director of Innovation, and Mr. Cesar, Founder and CEO, for their significant efforts in supporting and organizing this important event. We also express our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to Gama for their excellent organization and their role in highlighting pioneering innovation in the food industry. At Rio, we believe that innovation and quality are the foundation for developing natural and healthy products that meet our customer expectation and contribute to improving public health. Lastly, we thank all the companies that have contributed to this achievement, and we look forward to future success that will elevate the name of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in the global food industry. Thank you.